If you need to download multiple videos from Google Drive at once, this quick tutorial will show you the easiest way to do it. Whether you're backing up your files, moving videos to another device, or just saving time instead of downloading each one separately, this method is simple and fast. And before we jump in, if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign into the account that contains the videos you want to download. Once you're inside Drive, take a moment to locate the videos you need. You can use the search bar if you already know the file names, or browse through folders if the videos are organized by project, date, or topic. Now here's the important part. If you want to download multiple videos together, you'll need to select them first. To do that, hold down the Ctrl key on Windows or the Command key on Mac and click each video you want to include. If the videos are listed one after another, you can also use Shift to select a whole range at once. This is especially useful when you want to download several files in sequence without clicking each one individually. As soon as your videos are selected, right-click on any of the highlighted files. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, click Download. Google Drive will then start preparing your files for download. If you selected more than one video, Google Drive will usually compress them into a zip file first. This step may take a few moments depending on how large the files are and how many videos you selected. So if nothing happens immediately, don't worry, just give it a little time while Google Drive bundles everything together. Once the zip file is ready, your browser will begin downloading it to your computer. After that, you can open the downloaded zip file and extract the videos whenever you're ready. On most computers, you can simply double-click the file or right-click and choose Extract, depending on your system. And that's it. You've now learned how to download multiple videos from Google Drive in just a few clicks. It's one of the easiest ways to save time when working with shared files, personal backups, or a folder full of video content. If this tutorial helped you out, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.